If you're into trading, you've probably heard of MotiveWave. But does it really live up to the hype? Today, I'm diving into what makes this platform tick and whether it's actually worth your time and money. MotiveWave is a trading platform that focuses heavily on technical analysis and charting. It offers a suite of tools designed for serious traders, including advanced charting capabilities, strategy backtesting, and a variety of indicators. Right off the bat, the interface feels professional and well organized, which is a plus for experienced traders. What stands out is its flexibility in customizing charts and workspaces, allowing users to tailor their trading environment to fit their specific needs. However, the learning curve can be steep, especially if you're new to trading software. While the platform is robust, I noticed that some features, like the educational resources, could use a bit more depth. MotiveWave seems geared towards serious traders who are comfortable with technical analysis, but casual users might feel overwhelmed. Overall, the functionality is impressive, but it might not be the most user-friendly option out there, particularly for beginners. When it comes to pros, MotiveWave shines with its powerful charting tools and extensive customization options. The ability to backtest trading strategies is a significant advantage for those looking to refine their approach. However, the platform isn't without its drawbacks. For one, the pricing can be a bit steep, especially if you're not ready to fully utilize all its features. Plus, the complexity can be daunting for newcomers, potentially leading to frustration. There's also a lack of transparency regarding customer support, which might make some users hesitant. MotiveWave is best suited for experienced traders who value detailed technical analysis, while those looking for a more straightforward trading experience might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, if you're serious about trading and need a platform that offers advanced technical analysis, MotiveWave could be worth a shot. Just be prepared for a learning curve and consider whether its price aligns with your trading goals. If you're a beginner, you might want to look elsewhere until you feel more confident.